This is Chem 1315's video solutions for exam 3. So in this question, we had to indicate whether oxidation or reduction is occurring at the indicated carbons. So how do we know if a carbon is being oxidized or reduced? When a carbon atom loses a bond to a hydrogen and gains a new bond to a header atom, we say that the compound is being oxidized. It's because hydrogen is the least electronegative, and when we lose a hydrogen, the carbon atom undergoes an overall loss of electron density, and a loss of electrons is oxidation. On the other hand, when a carbon atom gains a bond to a hydrogen and loses a bond to a header atom, we say that the compound is being reduced. We know that reduction results in a higher electron density on the carbon atoms, and then that's why we consider it to be a reduction. So if we look at the molecule on the left, we see that that carbon has a triple bond towards another carbon and a single bond towards a hydrogen. And the carbon on the right has a double bond towards a carbon, a single bond towards a carbon, and a single bond towards a hydrogen. Since we are breaking a triple bond, which is one of the strongest bonds to a carbon, and we're replacing that with a double and a single, which are both less strong than the triple bond, we'd say that this compound is being reduced.